Alright, Chevy Cruze LT. This is currently a 2012 Chevy Cruze. So, customer states that engine overheated due to the reservoir broke. Okay, so the reservoir broke and the thermostat was stuck. So they replaced the thermostat. See all that silicone down under? Right there, there you go. Right there. That orangey stuff. You see it? There you go. Anyways, so this is a 1.4 liter EcoBoost, I guess, or not EcoBoost, but Ecotech turbo. Oh yeah, here's the info. There you go, that's the info. So we charged the battery and started cranking it over. It does not start. Don't know why it does not start. So I took off the cover right now to take off the coils. Take off the coil, but off first hand, you know, I was checking. I was checking the oil, and the oil looked kind of strange. Didn't look milky. It just looked strange, but it looked like something was wrong with it. Like I said, it's not milky the way it normally is, but it is strange. Man, these things are, ouch, what the hell. Get that in there. There you go. There you go. So the boots are stuck in there. But so something's definitely wrong here. And you can see that there's oil inside those where the spark plugs go for cylinders. So let me go get some pliers or some needle nose pliers, and I'll be right back once I take those boots out and probably remove the spark plugs as well. So bear with me. I'll be right back.